Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I'm on the 4 hour time frame because I just wanted to show that more than likely this move down is not over. I think that we potentially need to go down to at least a 261, 278 to make an expanding flat. That would also put us right around the 38%, which is a really nice Fibonacci cluster. So we did pop up a little bit this morning, but I think that might just be a little bit of a bull trap. I still think that the trend is down, and I still think that we should continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, we did have a breaker structure up, but that breaker structure could have just been telling us that this wave from here to here is over. If that wave from there to there is over, then potentially we could have one, two, three waves up to that wave and potentially just end up continuing down. Now, if it does go up and take out some more significant structure, then yes, we may have to go back to looking for longs. But as of right now, the trend is down on all of our higher roadmap time frames, so anything we see to the upside should potentially be a correction to the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.